Good morning students, how are you? Now we will continue exercise 6.3 with question number 5. Question number 5. See statement S and T are points on the sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P equal to RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to RTS. Means first of all we will draw triangle PQR. On PR you will take S point and T you will take on QR and you can join ST. Like this you can join. After this you can start with given. In given you can write angle P is equal to angle RTS. Then to prove you can write triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now proof. In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS, this one angle P is equal to RTS. This one angle, mention this one, angle P equal to RTS. It is given. This one angle R is common in small triangle and in big triangle. So student, you can write this one R as angle QRP is equal to SRT. Here you can write common. Therefore, triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS by AA similarity criteria. Hence, it is proved. Now see beta question number 6. See in figure triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Okay, congruent to triangle ACD. Prove that. Given you can write this one only. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. Then to prove you can write triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC, big one triangle. See student, proof. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle ACD. It is given. Therefore, this one AE equal to AD. Why? By CPCT. Mention this one as 1 and this one AB is equal to AC. Same reason by CPCT. Or you can write this one as AC is equal to AB. Mention this one as second. Now you can write divide first by second on both sides. AE upon AC, AE upon AC equal to AD upon AB, AD upon AB means this one side upon this one side, ratio equal to this one side upon this one side. Okay, after this you can write, now in triangle ABE and triangle AC, now in triangle ADE and triangle ABC, angle A equal to angle A common, and AE upon AC equal to AD upon AB proved. Therefore, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC by SAS similarity criteria. Hence, it is proved. Now see question number 7. See figure. Altitude AD and CE, AD and CE of triangle ABC intersect each other at point P. Show that in this 4 parts are there. So write given 1, 2, 3, 4. Given angle 1 equal to 2 equal to angle 3 equal to angle 4 equal to 90 degree. Then to prove, in to prove you can write all 4 points. Triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP, CDP. Second, triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE. Third part, triangle AEP similar to triangle ADB. Then fourth part, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC. Now see proof. See student, in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, AEP, this one AEP, and CDP, this one. So you can write angle 2 equal to angle 4. Why? Either you can write given or you can write each 90, up to you. Then this one angle 5 equal to 6. Angle 5 equal to angle 6. Vertically opposite angle. Therefore, triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP by AA similarity criteria. So first part is over. Now see second part. In second part, in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. ABD